Welcome to the installation of President Dr. Debra A. Schwinn. 2021 has brought us many amazing events that were supposed to happen in 2020, such as the 2020 Olympics, the 2020 Ryder Cup, and the 2020 Wimbledon Championship. And now, the 2020 installation of President Schwinn.
To many women, she was considered to be a role model as a mother and wife and physician. Deb was at the top of the hill, a superstar. People were beginning to chase her. In the meantime, it was starting to be daybreak at Palm Beach Atlantic, and the Holy Spirit called. Deb turned down the familiar to go where the Holy Spirit was leading her.
On behalf of the Board of Trustees, I would like to welcome each of you today as I administer the oath of office to Dr. Debra A. Schwinn, President of Palm Beach Atlantic University.
I declare today our intention here at Palm Beach Atlantic University is to awaken hearts. Awaken the hearts of our students to their highest destiny. Awaken hearts to God in this generation, and awaken PBA anew to its divine purpose. So let me tell you as I end what the state of our union is here at PBA. Though we have faced difficulty, though the gospel is more contested in our postmodern society than ever before in American history, and though we surely have new challenges to come, Palm Beach Atlantic University is rising to its destined moment. We will enlighten minds, we will enrich souls, and we will extend hands of mercy. For I declare today to you that we have not just survived the last 54 years and recent COVID pandemic, we have thrived.